In section 4E, we're going to look at rational exponents. Rational or ratio means fraction, so fractional exponents. And the first thing we're going to look at is just going from one form to the other. So in 59 here, we've got x to the 8/5. That's a variable to a rational or fractional exponent. We want to write in radical form. Now, when I have x to the 8/5, the bottom number is the root that you want. So when we're talking about the bottom number in the fractional exponent, I really want the fifth root is what I want there. And then we want the fifth root of whatever this variable is, x, and we're going to take that and raise it to the 8th power. So we're just going from one form to the other. This kind of goes out in front, okay? This goes underneath that root, and this top part goes as an outside exponent there. If I go to the next page and we go to number 65, now we're just going the other way. So here's what I have. I have the square root of 6n to the 3rd power on the outside. Now remember, the index with square root is 2 here. So this is going to be, we take what's under here, 6n, and it goes in parentheses. Okay, and then we're going to put a fractional exponent on there. We're writing in exponential form with fractional exponents. The root is the bottom number, so the 2 has to go here, so that goes on the bottom here. This number is the top number in the rational exponent. So it's 6n, and you have to have it in parentheses, and then the exponent of 3/2, just going from one form to the other. Now if I go down, the next one we're going to do is 71. We're going to simplify this. I've got a power to a power rule, so the rule is I multiply exponents. So I'm going to do this first. That's n to the 4th. And then I have times m to the 5/3 times n to the 2nd. So now I've got n to the 4th times n squared. I can multiply those together, so I add these two exponents, so that's n to the 6th and m to the 5/3. So the answer is n to the 6th times m to the 5/3.